viewers, after the showdown over the CAG report on the Delhi liquor policy, another CAG report on the management of the health infrastructure in the national capital under the then Aam Aadmi Party government is likely to be tabled in the Vidhan Sabha. While the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs will remain suspended, Chief Minister Rekha will present the second of the 14 CAG audit reports on the floor of the Assembly. The BJP has lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party over the alleged corruption in the health department during the Aam Aadmi Party government. The BJP has claimed that the health sector was in shambles because of the Aam Aadmi Party's greed for money.
ये जो सरकार पिछली सरकार है जिसका नाम मैं कभी लेना नहीं चाहता हूं, जिसने दिल्ली की जनता के साथ हमेशा धोखा दिया है। मेडिसिन में इन्होंने 4-5 कंपनियों को दादागिरी दे रखी थी। एंड आई एम आस्किंग वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर चैनल, व्हाट इज द रीजन कि एक एमएस को 3-3 हॉस्पिटल दिया गया? क्या हमारे पास इफिशिएंट डॉक्टर नहीं थे? ये पिछली सरकार ने सिर्फ एक कोकस बना रखा है।
देखिए, अब उपराज्यपाल के अभिभाषण में उसको डिस्टर्ब करना एक बड़े स्तर की अवहेलना है, सदन की मर्यादा को तार-तार करना है। ये सामान्य प्रक्रिया है। अगर सदन से बाहर निष्कासित होगा कोई सदस्य सदन की अवहेलना करने पर या सदन की मर्यादा को तार-तार करने पर, तो फिर वो सदन का अर्थ है विधानसभा परिसर, तो वो परिसर से ही उसको बाहर जाना होगा और जब उनका निष्कासन समाप्त हो जाएगा तो वो बाकायदा सदन के हर हिस्से में हर जगह वो भाग ले सकते हैं।
Now, ahead of the CAG report in the Delhi Assembly, Times Now has also done a reality check on the Aam Aadmi Party regime's health model. Take a look at what we found.
Well, now that's another reality check of Mahila Mohalla Clinic, and that is also built by Aam Aadmi Party. And in fact, you can see the board also mentions inauguration of Mahila Mohalla Clinic by Arvind Kejriwal. This was inaugurated by Arvind Kejriwal in the presence of Manish Sisodia, who was then the deputy chief minister, and also in fact along with Arvind Kejriwal. And in fact this particular Mohalla Clinic, you cannot see the doctors, the chairs are empty as of now. And in fact I also have a lady with me who has been waiting over here since long. अभिषेक जी यहाँ दिखाइए, आप बताइए कब से आए हुए हैं आप यहाँ पे?
मैम हो गए 10 मिनट तो हो गया।
अच्छा, तो क्या रिस्पांस है, क्या कह रहे हैं?
वो कह रहे हैं हाँ भी बैठो, आ रहे हैं, हम बैठी हुई अंदर ये लोग।
अच्छा, अंदर को
काम करते हो, काम पे भी जाना पड़ेगी, कुठी में झाड़ू पोछा कर।
तो आपने बोला काफी देर से आपको इंतजार करना पड़ रहा है?
10 मिनट बैठी हूँ, मैं ज्यादा आती नहीं, लेने जाओ।
अच्छा, कैसा है यहाँ पर आते हैं लोग बाग इलाज के लिए कि नहीं आते?
जुग्गी में ही है हम लोग, पलिका धाम का जुग्गी है, उसी से ही हम आए,
उसी से।
और हमें ने तो जिताया।
अच्छा, तो काम कुछ हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
अभी क्या, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है।
All right, so in fact that's the report that we are giving you from the Mahila Mohalla Clinic, which says the timings of this Mohalla Clinic are 8 AM to 2 PM, opening days Mondays to Saturday. Sunday it remains to be closed, portraying the picture of Arvind Kejriwal, Mahila Mohalla Clinic, Swasth Mahila, Swasth Parivar, along with all these taglines. But again, the reality over here is that the doctor is missing and the patients, in fact, have to wait for long hours. To carry out another reality check, Times Now has reached East Vinod Nagar. Well, surprisingly, this was supposed to be a Mohalla Clinic, and it's written also over here, you can see Aam Aadmi Mohalla Clinic. But this particular Mohalla Clinic that was meant for Aam Aadmi, this is entirely closed. And in fact, in this entire area, it's very difficult for you to even stand, because this entire area is very dirty, very filthy. Not just the reason being that this Mohalla Clinic is closed, but on my left hand side you can see that there's a garbage dump, and in fact street animals are here, the garbage dump is here, and in fact not just that, but the vehicles are also parked over here, the vehicles, and then then in fact you can also see that what kind of situation is over here in this particular locality, it makes even difficult for you to stand for 5 minutes in this area because it's very smelly and it's very unhygienic. So that's the irony of this particular mohalla clinic, which is meant to treat the patients, should have been in a hygienic condition, but the mohalla clinic itself is in a very unhygienic and pathetic condition.
Colleagues Isha and Teji are joining us on the broadcast with the details of what's expected today in the assembly and the showdown that's taking place between the BJP as well as the Aam Aadmi Party. But first, let me go across to Teji, who brought us this report. Several of these mohalla clinics are closed, locked, and it looks like for several days together with dust gathering there. This is, of course, a part of what the CAG report is likely to mention when it is tabled in the assembly.
Well, absolutely. We got the ground reports, we got the reality check, and not just that, but let me tell you that we were the first channel to break the draft CAG report on health, which in fact exposed the health model of the previous Delhi government, highlighting the fact about the mohalla clinics, about where the COVID funds were used.
This is an
about
issue that the BJP has
of
brought up time and again, isn't it? I request you to stay with us. We have Mr. R.P. Singh of the BJP on the broadcast with us. Mr. R.P. Singh, the Delhi model of health is something that Arvind Kejriwal had spoken of. He spoke about the Delhi model of health in the national capital. But a reality check by Times Now shows that several of these mohalla clinics are closed, locked and just left for days together.
Well, the farce has been opened now. The reality is that mohalla clinic was just more of a publicity gimmick than helping the people poor at large. And remember, during Corona, where was the mohalla clinic? And how can you forget there were 65,000 fake tests which are conducted in mohalla clinics? There are 3 children who died because of the medicine prescribed by the mohalla clinic. 6 were hospitalized because of the medicine by mohalla clinic. So this was all a farce. This was all a fakery which was being done by Aam Aadmi Party. And then a lot of myths was being created about mohalla clinic. Fact is, mohalla clinic is a failed model and it doesn't help people at large. I mean, it just give you some medicine, one tablet for each and every problem you have. Well, probably a painkiller for everything they would give. But generally, it's not helping people at large. And then it deprived the Delhiites from the Ayushman Bharat, which has helped more than 55 crore people in the country.
Yes, and in fact, the draft CAG report also gives us details of how even the most basic facilities were not available in these mohalla clinics.
Thermometers, no BP machines, no thermometers in the mohalla clinics. With thermometers is very basic. There were no thermometers in the mohalla clinics. There was no BP machine in the mohalla clinics.
Okay, all right. So all of these details will be revealed in the CAG report. Thank you for joining us, Mr. R.P. Singh. Mr. Udit Raj is also on the broadcast with us, and earlier today as we spoke to him, he said that not just what we're seeing on the screens now, he himself has also visited a few mohalla clinics only to find it locked away for days together. Mr. Udit Raj, shortly now the CAG report is also going to be filed, and the draft report speaks about how even the most basic facilities were missing from the clinics.
So where I was elected, you see, that is northwest Delhi. So one of the days, interacting with the people, and while going on a side of a road, my worker, they said that, look, this is mohalla clinic. And then I got down and found that it was all dusty and doors were shut. And there was nothing like that. I said this is in dilapidated stage. So I myself could see it, that there were no health activities, and there was no one there in that mohalla clinic. It was closed.
Okay, all right. And let's see what the CAG report is going to reveal. Mr. Udit Raj, thank you for joining us. In fact, earlier the BJP had also tabled the CAG report on the Aam Aadmi Party government's now scrapped Delhi liquor policy. And this report had mentioned that the implementation of this now scrapped policy led to the government, the then Aam Aadmi Party government, facing an overall revenue loss of over 2,000 crores.
ऐसा जब वो सदन से निष्कासित है तो वो निश्चित रूप से सदन के अंदर तो नहीं आ सकते।
सर वो नारेबाजी कर रहे हैं, वो एलिगेशंस लगा रहे हैं।
अब एलिगेशन लगाने के अलावा उनको आता क्या है?
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के घोटालों की एक और कैग रिपोर्ट दिल्ली की विधानसभा के पटल पर रखी जाएगी। किस तरह से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने हॉस्पिटल बनाने के नाम के ऊपर किस तरह से तय बजट से 350 करोड़ रुपया फालतू जो उन्होंने करप्शन के लिए अपनी जेबों में डालने का काम किया, किस तरह से मोहल्ला क्लिनिक जिनको कहते थे अमेरिका कनाडा देखने आता, उसमें बिजली ही नहीं थी, बिना बिजली के मोहल्ला क्लिनिक चले और उनको किराया भी देता रहे और लूटते रहे दोनों हाथों से दिल्ली को, जो लूटने का काम किया था। आज दूसरी कैग रिपोर्ट भी बताएगी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी आपके सारे चिट्ठे खोलेगी और बताएगी कि तुम कट्टर बेईमान हो।
देखिए, विधानसभा में जिस प्रकार से अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार ने पूरे 11 साल में कोई ऐसा डिपार्टमेंट नहीं जहां पर भ्रष्टाचार नहीं आया हो, जहां पर गड़बड़ी ना हुई हो, जहां दिल्ली के लोगों का पैसा ना लूटा गया हो। और हमको लगता है जिस तरह से कैग के अंदर लिकर पॉलिसी में तमाम तरह की अनियमितताएं मिली, दिल्ली के पैसे को लूटा गया, उसी तरीके से हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट में भी तमाम तरह के भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप इस सरकार पर लगे हैं। तो आज कैग रिपोर्ट जब आएगी तो उसमें निश्चित रूप से दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होगा और उसमें भी तमाम तरह की अनियमितताएं निश्चित रूप से मिलेंगी और उन सब का जवाब उस सरकार को देना पड़ेगा।
Meanwhile, on the other hand, even as the tabling of the CAG report will be taking place, the 21 suspended Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are also likely to stage a protest outside the Vidhan Sabha yet again over their suspension. The leader of opposition, Atishi, has sought time from the president as well to discuss the issue. The Aam Aadmi Party calling the suspension of the MLAs a black day in Indian democracy.
आप पुलिस से पूछिए, वो बताएंगे कि हमें अंदर क्यों नहीं जाने दिया जा रहा। आपने अभी कहा कि वी आर स्टेइंग, यू कैन सी द बैरिकेड्स देयर, बीजेपी एंड देयर पुलिस इज नॉट अलाउइंग अस इनसाइड। हम तो बाहर अंदर जाने के लिए तैयार बैठे हैं।
How long will you be sitting over here on dharna inside the house is already run?
BJP has to answer this question. On what basis are they not allowing us inside? BJP's police has to show us an order basis which they are not allowing us inside. They can ban us from entering the house. How are they banning us from entering the campus of the Delhi Assembly?
They are not showing any documents.
They are not showing any documents. They are not showing any orders whereby we have been prevented from entering the premises of the Delhi Assembly.
And you will continue to protest against the insult that's being done by BJP of Baba Saheb.
We will continue to protest.
जैसे पहले आतिशी जी ने ऑलरेडी सीएजी की रिपोर्ट्स को सील्ड एनवेलप में फॉरवर्ड कर दिया था स्पीकर साहब को और वो पेश होनी ही थी, उसी तरह ये भी एक सामान्य प्रक्रिया है, ये पीएससी को रेफर होना ही था। तो इट इज नथिंग आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी। व्हाट इज आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी इज कि किस तरह से हमारे सभी विधायकों को विधानसभा परिसर से भी बाहर कर दिया गया है। हाउस से तो आपने सस्पेंड किया सो किया, बट ये हिस्ट्री में पहली बार देखा गया कि आपने उस कॉम्प्लेक्स में भी एंट्री परमिट नहीं की। दिस इज हाईली अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, कंडेमनेबल।
Political analyst Akil Khan is joining us on the broadcast. Shortly, we are going to see the CAG report on health that will be tabled. While on one hand, the BJP has said there have been several irregularities and that is going to be exposed in the assembly, the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are protesting outside claiming they're being targeted.
You see, madam, we have been telling to the people of the country that BJP is killing the democracy. And again, there is evidence they are not concerned with the real issues of the public. Bijli, Pani, Shiksha, Swasth, Mahila Sashaktikarana, Rozgar. They are not concerned because they have not done anything in the country. They are just, they have become Bharatiya Jhootha Prapanch, BJP. Ye Prapanch, they are creating Prapanch against the people of the democratic elected MLAs. And they are not allowing MLAs to enter in the Vidhan Sabha. It's a really horrible thing for the democracy. And most importantly, what promise they have made with the people of the country for so many years, since like 10, 11 years, they have been promising and they are not following, they are not fulfilling the promises. And the Modi ji's guarantee is not Prime Minister of India. Modi ji is the EVM PM. And I don't think he is going to fulfill the promises he made, because he has been in habits of breaking the promise and then misguiding the people.
Okay, you're saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is being targeted. That's a claim that the Aam Aadmi Party has made. But the BJP says this was one of our poll promises and we are doing exactly that. Isha is also on the broadcast with us. Isha, we've seen the Aam Aadmi Party leaders protesting outside the assemblies, claiming that they are being targeted. What's expected today?
Pratibha, so the session is expected to begin at 2 p.m. today, and the CAG report on health is all set to be tabled. In fact, the opposition will not be present in the House, and of course a row has erupted over this. But explaining our viewers the legality of this rule book, that what it suggests is that any MLA who is suspended from the House is not allowed to enter even in the premises of the Vidhan Sabha. So nothing that is happening is out of the rule book. So for the Aam Aadmi Party to say that this is absolutely unconstitutional is wrong, because it
all
is
right.
true.
Isha, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. We have big breaking updates coming in of a